Crafters, it's me, Jen Evers, with another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. And just basically that means from the mailbox, I get scraps and things sent in from you. And then I try to, in the 10-minute timer, create a masterpiece of a card. And I don't keep them, I send them back to you. So today I'm going to do number 167 by Cindy Wangen. She is a really big part of our community and our group. So we're going to see what she has sent us today. And by the way, start sending in your 1 in 10s because I am slowly running out. So we've got some brown paper. This is unique. Look at this. Wow. So cool. Ready for fall. I've had this one for a long time, so the fact that it came up now is really awesome. Barnyard and Down on the Farm and some little... Oh my gosh, this is so cute. There's so much stuff in here. Look at this little tiny chicken. Little tiny chicken. So much fun. Okay, I already have some ideas. Just pulling this stuff out and looking at it. And I'm going to just get started. We have 10 minutes here. And I need to make a card base. So I better do that quick. Here we go. Don't forget that our free play Fridays have moved to Sunday Fun Day at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time every Sunday. Unless I'm out of town or I have guests over, something happens. So I would love to see you guys there. It's right here on my channel. Same stuff. Same kind of idea as Free Play Friday. Let's see if I can get 4 of these across. Not quite. So we will go ahead and put a few down. The ones that I think look good together. We could probably cut, ooh, let's cut this one in half. That would be so cool. Wait, I'm going to go ahead and just eyeball this halvesies. Actually, you know what? If I fold it in half, that'll give me a perfect line. Then I don't have to get out my trimmer. Coda just got fed, so he's probably going to walk and wander around, make a lot of funny noises. Just FYI. And I'm going to start to put these down. This is such a cute idea. Okay, I'm going to bump one off the edge. And try to put them kind of close together. I may have messed this up. We'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, I went too far off the edge. That's okay. That's alright. We'll just go, I'm just going to go ahead and make it up as I go. I just really liked that brown, or that burgundy. I wanted to get that color in there, but if we don't, we don't. That way I've got some coming off the side here, so it goes to the edge. That's kind of my idea there. Let's go ahead and put this one on. Do have a little bit of that one on. Oh, Buddy is throwing up. He's doing a pretty good job catching it though. So we'll be okay for a little bit. Oh, I might get some on the end there. This is super cute. I love this paper. I wonder where you got this from. This is really fun. And then we're going to go ahead and just add on that last piece. Why not? We have it. I'm going to put it right there. And then just cut off the excess. Cool. Okay, then I want to use a little bit of this. So it is going to cut up, cover up some of that, and that is okay. Layers are amazing. People don't use enough layers on their cards sometimes. So if you're thinking to yourself, especially if you're a newbie, what am I missing on this card? It just doesn't look finished. It doesn't look like everybody else's. Layers. That And it may seem to you like, oh, Jen's, you know, she can just throw these together in 10 minutes. But the thing is that I used to do flat one level cards, and I had to learn layers. I had to learn how to pop those together. And so, big thing. This is awesome. This is so awesome. I'm going to put that on there. Definitely want this strip on here. This is really cute. So that's going to kind of go up. I need some tape for that. Double-sided tape. I'm not finding it. Oh, there it is. I had to dig. Okay. I'm going to attempt to put this right on, and that way I can put it anywhere I want, because it'll already be taped. Perfect. That little part I'm just going to chop off, and then hopefully we get the sticky part to stay. Perfect. Oh, but now you can hear the kitty cat. Probably jealous of the dog. Alright, I'm going to add in a couple of other... I don't know that I'm going to get to the inside of this one. So there's so much fun little stuff in here. I'm just going to start adding things because I think they're really cute. And I'm probably not going to do a very much about like doing the inside, or... What's the other thing? Oh my gosh, this chicken. This chicken has to go on here. I don't think I'm going to do the inside. I guess that's just what I'm saying. This is so pretty. Now, she's going to hand give this card, I'm guessing. So I can put that like right there. I don't know what's going to hold this on. I'm going to try the sticky tape. We'll see if that works. If it doesn't, I might have to get out some glue dots and stuff. So let's just see if this is going to help. This is so pretty. Yes. Totally going to work. Okay. And hello friend could be my sentiment. That'd be perfect. So perfect. Do I have time to add more? Yes, I have a couple more minutes. Awesome. Actually, you know what? This is kind of pulling this all together. So I'm going to put this one little strip on the inside. Just so it all kind of matchy-matchies. And I may actually put the chicken in there. Let's just see how this turns out. I don't really want to do the barn thing because I just think this is turning out so cute. So let's go ahead and put some of these enamel dots on. Put a couple on here to kind of make this look like we added that on, and we had like some little brads that clung that together. I know we're a little bit far away from the frame. Let's see how we're doing right now. Isn't that pretty? I just love this thing right here. Like, how could you not want to use that? It's so beautiful. And maybe I don't want to overdo it with that stuff. What do I have left here? I was super worried I wasn't going to have time to do the inside, but I might be able to put a couple of things in there. I'm going to go ahead and put that down too, because that's super cute. That just looks really cool right there. So cute. Oh my gosh. So I'm kind of making this look like grass. I think this would look really cute tucked under here. Just another element. Just another fun element. Adorable. And you know what? That chicken could probably just get popped right in there. I don't know if this is a sticker or not. I don't want to try to peel it up, so I'm just going to put him right there in the grass. Cute, cute. Okay, let's go ahead and do just a couple on the inside here. I'm going to put a couple that just kind of go over the edge. And hopefully I've got enough time to finish this up. Put this one little bit farther out. And then we've got one last one. We'll do this one. Maybe we'll do just a little bit of this one. It's gonna jut just a little bit. Not quite. Oop, here we go. Okay. And then I have to cut that off because it's reaching the edge. But I don't want to cut those off. I don't want to cut those little things off. So I'm gonna move it to the side. Yay! I think I've pretty much used as much as I want to use, but let's just take a look at it. So it's got the little chicken and stuff there. And then we've got some of that coming in from the side. Super sweet. Let's go ahead and put 3 dots here. Medium or large, medium, and small. Large, medium, and small. Then I've got one left that I can send with that, and we're out of time. Sweet! Look how cute. Hello, friend. That's so pretty. I will stamp my information on the back, send this to Cindy, and actually she comes to my house, so she'll just be able to come around and pick that up. So, like I said, I am running out of 1 in 10 by Jen's envelopes, so please consider starting to send yours in. Not a big deal. I can always switch this day into having a different kind of video, changing it to a different series, but if you love this one, start sending your the scraps in now so that I can add you to the queue. And this one's gonna go back to Cindy Wangen. Adorable stuff. Adorable card. So cute. All right, don't forget again, now our Friday Free Play has become Sunday Fun Day. Join us on Sunday Fun Day at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time for about an hour-long tutorial on different things. Oh gosh, this one is going out several weeks, so I don't know if I can even tell you. You might have to go back and look it up. One of them, we're going to be doing this really cool Northern Lights technique, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Another one, we're going to move into doing some slimline cards, so if that sounds interesting to you, or you don't see them in the future, you might have to go back and look. Click on my channel, Jen Evers, and then click on Videos tab. It'll show you all the most recent videos dating back to the end of time, 2012 or something, when I started this channel, and you'll be able to find all those listed right there really easily. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, get a hold of me on Facebook. Instant message is the fastest way to get a hold of me. Otherwise, it's hit or miss of whether or not you're going to get me. KoalityCrafts.com is our store link, and I hope to see you in Sunday Fun Days and the Zooms that we're having in our community. Join that group. It's listed in the description box below. You'll get all the information on when those Zoom parties and Zoom crops are happening. They're free, and we welcome everyone to come, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.